You've been lied to about money, not once, but your entire life. And the worst part? Those lies don't sound like lies. They sound smart, responsible. Save your money. Debt is dangerous. Investing is risky. You've heard them from parents, teachers, maybe even financial gurus. But these beliefs quietly keep millions of people stuck in the same loop. Today, let's break the 5 biggest money myths holding you back and what to do instead. Myth number 1. Saving makes you rich. Saving feels safe. And that's the trap. You put your money in the bank thinking it's growing. But every year, inflation quietly eats away at it. That's not growth. That's slow decay. Rich people save differently. They save with intention. Not to collect money, but to deploy it. Fix it. Keep 3 months of expenses as a safety net. Then move every extra dollar into something that grows, stocks, funds, even a side hustle that builds income. The next myth sounds even scarier, because it is about something most people fear their entire lives. Myth number 2, all debt is bad. You've probably been told, never borrow money. But here's the truth. Bad debt buys liabilities. Good debt buys assets. The difference isn't the loan. It's what you do with it. Fix it. Borrow to build, not to brag. Use credit for leverage, not lifestyle. Now here's the one myth that traps even the hardest workers. Myth number 3. More income fixes everything. If you earn more but your habits stay the same, you don't get rich. You just spend faster. It's called lifestyle creep. Every raise becomes a new subscription, a nicer phone, or one extra delivery order. Fix it. When your income rises, don't upgrade your life. Upgrade your habits first. Keep your lifestyle the same for 90 days. Let your savings catch up before your spending does. This next one stops people from ever even starting, and is the most expensive myth of all. Myth number 4. Investing is only for the rich. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need to start before you are. Because compound growth doesn't care about your income. It rewards your consistency. Fix it. Automate tiny investments. $5 a week becomes over $1,000 in a few years. Not from effort, but from time. Myth number 5. I'll start later. This one kills more dreams than failure ever could. I'll start when I make more. When I have time. When things calm down. But later steals from your future self. One day at a time. Fix it. Start imperfectly. Learn, fail small, adjust fast. You don't need to start big. You just need to start now. Money isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with what you have. These myths keep you obedient, not free. But once you see through them, you'll never look at money the same way again. Want to actually understand money? Watch the Money Basics playlist. Link below. Don't just earn. Understand.